So we've got big news today for anybody with a mortgage. We're now looking at an 87% chance that the Bank of England is going to drop the base rate from 4% to 3.75% at the next meeting of the Monetary Policy Committee on December the 18th. So I spent most of yesterday at an event that was organised by my network. And one of the key speakers of the day was a chap called Giles Andrews from Santander. And he's one of their senior economists. And he was sharing the bank's outlook for the end of 2025 and going into 2026. And there was loads of really interesting facts and figures. But there was one big takeaway. And that was there's now an 85 to 87% chance that when the Bank of England Monetary Policy Committee meets on December the 18th, they will cut the bank base rate from 4% to 3.75%. And why are they starting to predict this? Because all the data's lining up. Inflation's down to 3.6%. That's a 4-month low. Unemployment's up to 5%. That's the highest it's been since early 2021. So the labour market's cooling down. The employment rate is down to 75%. And wage growth has slowed to 4.6%. That's the weakest we've seen since April 2022. And all of this data is pointing to a need for the Bank of England to start easing off the brakes on the economy. So what does this mean for you and your mortgage? Well, if you're on a standard variable rate, then hopefully if they drop the rate, then your rate's going to come down with it. If you're currently on a fixed rate deal, then no change, your payments will stay the same. However, if you're looking for a new fixed rate deal at the moment, or your current deal ends in the next 6 months, then we could well see a slight shift in rates. It won't be a lot, and it won't be quickly either. Most of the banks have probably already priced in this drop, so don't expect a fast reaction in the market on the 18th. If you're not sure what to do or you want to have a quick chat about it, then get in touch. I'm Patrick Weightman, your local East Midlands mortgage and protection advisor. I look after clients all over the UK and my links are in the bio. Speak to you soon. Bye-bye.